guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you are new. Hi, my name is Amanda. I am so ready for today's video and I'm going to tell you why. We are making sweet potato and black bean tacos, a recipe inspired by HelloFresh. I did a video on my channel just over a month ago where I recreated a recipe that was inspired by HelloFresh, and I do want to keep this going on my channel as like a little series. I think it's important to know that you can make these recipes directly from home without actually ordering a HelloFresh meal. This is all just to inspire you, to encourage you, to get you cooking at home, to get you to use fresh ingredients that you pick up at your grocery store or that you may have in your garden, although right now it is winter. At least where I am it's cold, so you may not have certain vegetables, but you know what I mean. So today I looked up a recipe and I am ready to get this going. I post weekly content here in my channel, so make sure you are subscribed and turn on the bell so you don't miss an upload. I'm gonna show you everything that I'm using for this recipe. I am just doing a couple alterations and I will explain exactly what I'm doing. I hope you guys enjoy this video and let's get on into it. Here are all of my ingredients for this recipe. I am using 2 sweet potatoes. The recipe calls for lime, but I do not have lime, so I'm going to substitute that with a lemon. And then I have a white onion, avocado, a can of black beans, olive oil, fresh garlic. I am using unsweetened plain yogurt for my sour cream substitute, honey, black pepper, cumin, and my salt. I'm also going to be using these delicious wraps. I cannot wait to try these. The only thing that I am missing in this recipe is cilantro. I know it's kind of a big thing. Cilantro is a huge contributor to great flavor, but I unfortunately do not have cilantro, and it is the holidays, so every store is closed. So I'm starting off by preheating my oven to 400, and while that is heating up, I am going to peel both potatoes and then chop them into cubes. I'm transferring them to a glass baking dish, and then I'm also drizzling a generous amount of olive oil on top and then adding some salt and pepper. I'm gonna give it a good stir to make sure everything is combined, and then in the oven they go for about 30 minutes or until they are soft. I then just added some olive oil to a pan, and then I'm chopping up about a half of 1 large onion and also about 3 to 4 cloves of fresh garlic. I'm also zesting my lemon, and then I'm going to cut that in half and also cut the 2 halves into slices. Once my oil is hot, I'm just adding my onion to the pan and then also adding a bunch of black pepper because I love black pepper. I'm rinsing my beans, and then I'm going to add just over half of the can to the onions and then also follow that with the garlic. And while that's heating through, my sweet potatoes, it did come out of the oven. And now I'm going to prepare my wraps. So I just dampened a few paper towels, and then I put the wraps between the paper towels and put them in the oven on the warm setting for about 10 minutes. I'm adding my sweet potatoes to the pan, and then I'm also putting in roughly 2 teaspoons, if not a little more, of honey.
I'm also adding in an eyeballed amount of cumin and then the juice of a half of a lemon. Adding in some salt and pepper, and while that simmers down for about 5 minutes or so, I'm going to make my avocado cream base. For that, I'm just using about 3 to 4 tablespoons of my unsweetened yogurt, and then adding in the lemon zest, a little squeeze of lemon, and then also half of an avocado mashed, and a little bit of salt and pepper to taste. I mixed that down until it was pretty smooth and nice and creamy, and then next I'm just going to spread a good amount onto my warm tortilla and then load on the bean and potato mixture, top with some extra avocado slices, a squeeze of lemon, and some hot sauce if you wish, and we have a finished product.
That recipe was literally so simple to follow and it was absolutely delicious. I just got done eating it and it was fantabulous. What's nice is that you can always switch up the recipe. I think tomatoes would have been really good in there, maybe some shredded cheese, a little bit of pepper, but I followed the recipe basically to a T and it turned out really, really good. So yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video of me recreating a HelloFresh meal. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up so that way I know you are enjoying these. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!